July 2024 Dollar Bead Box and Bag unboxing. Hey y'all, it's April. Thanks for stopping by my crazy creative life, and it is that time again. Let's do July 2024 Dollar Bead Box and Bag unboxing. Alright, here we go. We'll start off with the bag. So we have, isn't that beautiful? So like always, we have 4 strands of 3mm beads and 4 strands of 4mm beads. And I'll do my best to try to make sure I'm telling you the right ones. Okay, it says there is a blue lilac iris and a matte blue lilac iris. So I believe this is the lilac iris and this is the matte blue lilac iris. Those are pretty. Then we have either an opaque white Bermuda blue or crystal half blue iris. I think I got the crystal half blue iris, I'm pretty sure. I believe that's it. Then we have an opaque light blue half iris. I think I mixed them up. I think this one is the crystal half blue iris. Sorry about that. And then this one is the opaque light blue half iris because that's opaque. Wasn't paying attention, I guess. Alright. So there's those. Then on the 4mm strands, we have, and I love this color, it's a dark cobalt blue. Isn't that beautiful? Then we have a matte blue lilac iris, which again, I believe it's this one. So it matches my 3mm strand. Then we have an opaque light blue iris, which I believe is this one. And then finally we have an aqua amethyst vitriol. And the vitriol is just a finish. Ooh, oh my goodness. I don't know if you're gonna be, that is absolutely stunning. Oh my mercy, those are gorgeous. Yeah, I'm trying to get this. Ignore this setup over here, but I just wanted to show you when it's in the light. Look how pretty that is. Okay, that's our strands. Now we've got the Dollar Bead Box. And we'll start off with the strands that come in the bead box. Alright, first we have 8mm check glass druck in medium aqua blue. So I believe that is this one. It's 8mm beads. In medium aqua blue. Hope I don't, this camera is not doing it justice, y'all. That's gorgeous. Then we have 6mm Lucerna bicone in sapphire or aqua. And I think it's this one. Unless I come across something else, I think it's it. But I do believe it's this one. So it's the Lucerna bicone, sapphire, aqua, and I believe I've got the sapphire. Then I've got 6x6 millimeter check glass 2-hole flat silky in medium aqua. Hold on, let me say that again. 6x6 millimeter check glass 2-hole flat silky and alabaster white, and that's these. And I don't have any beads like this, so this will be new for me, and I love them. But they have 2 holes in them. They've got a hole there all the way through, and then you turn it on the side, and one there all the way through. So these are, I love them. Oh, then we've got 4 millimeter check glass dark in medium aqua, and I believe that's this one. Then we have 3 millimeter check glass dark in jet rainbow iris or jet AB. I think I got the jet AB. Because that looks like an AB finish to me. And I'm assuming that's jet black, but it's got blue in there too. It's got a little blue and green, and that probably is an AB finish though. And lastly, we have 3 millimeter beads, check glass rondelle, and light aqua blue. Alright, I'm going to put these by these other strands. Kind of just give you a look. Just those alone are gorgeous. Then we have 13 by 15 millimeter check glass pillow acid etched jet AB, and it's 2 pieces, and I'm in love with these. So that's the back side, and that's the front side. The front is what's got that AB finish. 5 by 7 millimeter check glass squishy saucer in medium aqua. I like those squishy beads. Last month, if you watched it, we got yellow and green. These are in aqua. Then, let's see, check glass button beads in purple 2 AB times 2 piece. So I believe that is this. Oh, so pretty. These are gorgeous, y'all. Oh my goodness. I think I have been with Dollar Bead Box for 3 months now, and so far this is my favorite. I absolutely love this set. I mean, it's just calling my name. Okay, then we have a strand of 8 millimeter beads. They're check glass curved cube, blue with white opal, 6 pieces. Okay, that's these. Those are really cute. Come on, focus. Then we have check glass, a 4 by 14 millimeter check glass coin bead, light blue opal. These are beautiful too. I mean, I'm gonna say that about everything in here. I'm so impressed with this set. Look how gorgeous that is. Then we have 8 millimeter bead check glass round Baroque pearl and white. And I do believe it's these. And it's 10 pieces. Oh, those are gorgeous too. Oh my mercy. I wish my camera was picking up just how beautiful these really are. Then we have 15 to 16 millimeter dyed agate cross, dark aqua opal, and it's one piece. And that is this. Now to me that looks green. Well, I guess it is aqua. It's just on the greener side of the aqua. Then we have, and I love this thing, 25 by 39 millimeter brass stamped butterfly. You all gonna love this too. Wait for it. Wait for it. Ta-da! Isn't that so pretty? There's the back side. It's got two little bitty holes right there. So that's probably where the string goes. Then we have a 6 by 16 millimeter check glass tubular long oval crystal and gold. It's 4 pieces. It's like crystal on, I can show you that blurring, crystal on that side and gold on this side. Maybe you can see that better. That's the crystal side and that's the gold side. Then we have a 4 by 6 millimeter check glass bellflower opaque light blue, 12 pieces, and I always love these little bellflowers. They're one of my favorite beads. They almost look white, but they're not. They're like a baby blue. Lastly, we've got 18 millimeter check glass. No, that's not last. Hold on. Sorry. Next, we have 4 by 6 millimeter check glass. Wait a minute. I'm missing something. What am I missing? I think this is what I messed up. It's 6 by 8 millimeter check glass ribbed rondelles. And it is a 20 piece. Yeah, that's what I messed up on. I'm sorry about that. But it's a little rondelle shape. And then it's got like little groove looking things on the sides. So that's why it's ribbed. Alright, now finally we have check glass daisy and got that jet AB finish on it, and it's 1 piece. We got some of those last month too, but in different color, and I absolutely love these. Alright, so there it is. I'll take a picture of it, just this, and insert it into the video. I won't be making anything today because I'm having a really bad couple of days. So I'm not going to make anything, but I did at least want to open the box and show you what is in this box. So if you're interested, I will put a link in the comment section below, and you can go on there and join their club, because once you join them, then they've got a lot of strands, a lot of different things that are just for $1, but you have to be a member first. And this is $8 a month. The bead bag is $8 a month. The bead box, why do I always forget how much the bead box is? I think if you set up for for it to be every 6 months, it's, well, shoot, April. I'll put it here, whatever the price is. I cannot remember at the moment. And then, like I said, then you will, anytime you're a member, you go on their website and you can buy, they've got a bunch of stuff. It's just $1 per strand or per whatever. And then also you'll get a coupon code, and you will get 10% off $20 or more. So anyway, that is it. I wanted to come on here and show you. Again, I'll leave the link in the description box below. And I do believe if you type in either April or MCCL2, you'll save $2 off of your first order. But I'll put the prices up there too. So anyway, that's it, y'all. I hope you guys have a blessed rest of your day, and I hope you love this because I think it's absolutely stunning. I can't wait to start making jewelry with this. But like I said, it won't be today. It'll be in the next video. So I'll talk to you guys. So I hope y'all have a blessed rest of your night, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye. Hey, if you like this video, you may want to check out my previous video or my previous series. Talk to you soon.